Hello, Miss. My name is Genius. I'm from Group 5. The member of Group 5 is Venetia Tan, Meta Maharani, me, and Brian Brenansua. I will explain uh, what is suggestion. A suggestion is usually an expression of an idea for someone else to do something. Suggestion means to present a suggestion, that is to introduce our proposition, idea, or a plan for consideration. Suggestion means to propose a plan. It can be accepted or refused. Saran biasanya merupakan ungkapan ide agar orang lain dapat melakukan sesuatu. Saran artinya menyajikan. Saran yaitu memperkenalkan atau mengusulkan ide. Making suggestion atau membuat kalimat saran. Making suggestion ada 6 cara, yaitu what if we plus verb. Example, what if we consider another venue for the launch. Cara yang kedua, I think we plus modal verb plus verb. Example, I think we should use wireless keyboard. Cara ketiga, maybe we modal verb plus verb. Example, we could get a fan. Cara keempat, let's plus verb. Example, let's go to the travel agent this afternoon to book our ticket. Cara kelima, why don't we plus verb. Example, why don't we do our homework? Cara keenam, how about plus ing verb. Example, how about starting a book club? What is modal verb? Modal verb are auxiliary verb, also called helping verb, like can, will, could, shall, must, would, might, should. Kata kerja modal adalah kata-kata kerja bantu, juga disebut kata kerja membantu, seperti can, we, could, shall, must, would, might, and should. Example, you must turn in your assignment on time. He might be love of my life. The doctor can see you now. Asking for suggestion. There are many expressions you can use to ask for suggestion. One way is to use the word should which mean will or should. Ada banyak ungkapan yang Anda bisa lakukan untuk meminta saran. Salah satu caranya adalah dengan menggunakan kata should yang berarti akan atau sebaiknya. Should atau we plus verb 1. Example, should we go home early? Number 2. Should I to apologize to her? Number 3. Where should we go this holiday? Should I atau we plus verb 1. Contoh. Nomor 1. Apakah sebaiknya kita pulang lebih awal? Nomor 2. Apakah sebaiknya aku minta maaf kepadanya? Nomor ketiga. Kemana sebaiknya kita pergi liburan kali ini? Thank you, Miss.
Another example asking suggestion. Should I go to clinic? What should I do? Do you have any suggestions? Do you have any ideas? Artinya, haruskah aku pergi ke klinik? Apa yang harus kulakukan? Apakah kamu punya saran? Apakah kamu mempunyai ide? Accepting suggestion atau menerima saran. Why not? it might work. Okay, yes, I like to. Yes, I love to. What's a good idea? That sounds like a good idea. Yes, with pleasure. That's not a bad idea. This is just what we need. That might be worth trying. This looks like it could work. Let's try that. From accepting suggestion, refusing suggestion, or kalimat penolakan saran. I don't think this would work. Your suggestion sounds good, but that's a good idea, but what, helpful or bad idea? I'd rather not. No, let's not. No, I'd rather not. I don't feel like it. I'm not really sure or convinced. I don't really feel like it, to be honest. From refusing suggestion, giving suggestions. One way to give suggestion is to use the word could, which means can or might, which means maybe or may. Example: you could go home early. You could find a new job. You might tell your problem to your parents. We might go to Japan this holiday. Artinya, contoh, kamu bisa pulang lebih awal. Kamu dapat mencari pekerjaan baru. Kamu boleh menceritakan masalahmu pada orang tuamu. Kita mungkin dapat pergi Jepang untuk liburan kali ini. In addition to the examples of expression above, we can also use various other expressions such as how about or what about. Example: how about or what about going to the beach this weekend? How about coffee? Or what about that new pizza restaurant out? Artinya, selain contoh ungkapan di atas, kita juga dapat menggunakan berbagai ungkapan yang lain seperti bagaimana tentang atau bagaimana dengan tambah ini. Contoh, bagaimana dengan atau bagaimana kalau pergi ke pantai akhir pekan ini? Bagaimana dengan kopi atau bagaimana dengan restoran pizza baru itu? You should plus verb 1. Example: you should to persuade him. You should finish your job immediately. You should plus verb 1. Contoh, artinya contoh, kamu harus membujuknya. Kamu harus menyelesaikan pekerjaanmu dengan segera.
Why is to make specific suggestion. Example A. Why don't we stop for lunch now? We can stop the river this afternoon. B. You look tired. Why don't you go to bed early tonight? Kenapa tidak digunakan untuk membuat saran khusus? Contohnya, A. Mengapa kita tidak berhenti untuk makan siang sekarang? Kita bisa hentikan laporannya siang ini. B. Anda terlihat lelah. Mengapa Anda tidak pergi tidur lebih awal malam ini? Another example about why don't, like, why don't you go home? Kenapa kamu tidak pulang saja? No. Let's not. We use let's use to make suggestion about doing things with someone. Example: let's make curry tonight. Kita menggunakan let's untuk memberi saran tentang melakukan sesuatu dengan seseorang. Mari kita membuat kari malam ini. Contohnya. Another example about let's we go her house. Ayo kita pergi ke rumah dia. Let's not. We use let's not to make negative suggestion. The example, let's not argue about this. Let's not kita gunakan untuk membuat sugesti negatif. Contohnya, jangan berdebat tentang ini. Another example, let's not to think him. Ya. Kita tidak bisa memikirkan dia. Positive sentence. A positive sentence is a sentence in which it does not contain the negative word and also a question mark. Positive sentences are usually in the form of invitation, suggestion, comment, and others. Positive sentences are usually called affirmative sentence. Kalimat positif adalah kalimat yang di dalamnya tidak mengandung kata tidak dan juga tanda tanya. Kalimat positif biasanya berupa kalimat ajakan, anjuran, perintah, dan lain sebagainya. Kalimat positif biasanya disebut dengan kalimat afirmatif. Positive suggestion sentence. Kalimat saran positif. Example, contohnya, let's do it. Ayo kita lakukan itu. You should try more. Kamu harus mencobanya lagi. I think that is right. Aku berpikir bahwa dia benar. You cannot give up. Kamu tidak boleh menyerah. Negative sentence, yaitu kalimat negatif. If a negative sentence is the opposite of the positive sentence. Negative sentence are sentences that contain no and don't in the sentence. Negative sentences usually come in the form of prohibition. Negative sentences are also called rejection sentence. Kalau kalimat negatif ini ada kebalikan dari kalimat positif. Kalimat negatif pada kalimat yang mengandung kata tidak dan jangan pada kalimatnya. Kalimat negatif biasanya biasanya berupa kalimat larangan. Kalimat negatif biasa disebut juga dengan kalimat penyangkalan. Negative suggestion sentence. Example, I don't think you should try more. Can you stop crying him? You cannot stop helping me. Can you stop telling me the right and wrong? Contoh dari kalimat saran negatif. Contohnya adalah kau berpikir kamu seharusnya tidak perlu mencobanya lagi. Bisakah kamu berhenti menangisi dia? Bisakah kamu berhenti menolong saya? Bisakah kamu tidak membicarakan hal yang benar dan salah kepada saya?
Interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence is a question sentence. Interrogative sentence contain a question mark at the end of the sentence. Interrogative sentences are commonly referred to as yes or no question. Kalimat interrogatif adalah kalimat tanya. Kalimat interrogatif mengandung tanda tanya pada bagian akhir kalimatnya. Kalimat interrogatif biasanya disebut sebagai yes or no questions. Interrogative sentence, kalimat tanya. Do you think that you should try more? What if you try again? How about trying once again? Mom, can I buy a new phone? Tidakkah Anda berpikir bahwa Anda harus mencoba lebih banyak? Bagaimana jika Anda mencoba lagi? Bagaimana kalau mencoba sekali lagi? Ibu, dapatkah saya membeli telepon baru? Example of conversation rejects and response to suggestion. Contoh percakapan menolak dan menanggapi saran. 1. Let's watch football at the stadium. Accepting. Yes, let's go. Declining. No, thank you. I have other schedule. I have to clean the house now. 2. Why don't you have breakfast before going to school? Accepting. That's a good idea. Declining. I thought I will be late, so I will have a breakfast at school. 3. How about go to the cinema? Accepting. Okay, it sounds great. Declining. No, I don't have money to buy a ticket. 4. I think you have to do your homework now. Accepting. Yes, you are right. Declining. Calm down, friend. I still have so much time. 3. Bagaimana kalau pergi ke bioskop? Menerima. Oke, kedengarannya bagus. Menolak. Tidak, saya tidak punya uang untuk membeli tiket. 4. Saya pikir Anda harus mengerjakan pekerjaan rumah Anda sekarang. Menerima. Ya, Anda benar. Menolak. Tenang sobat, aku masih punya banyak waktu. Suggestion conversation. Vina. Morning Ayu, my friend. You look bad today. What happened to you? Ayu. Oh, that's just a small problem. Vina. Please tell me. Maybe I can provide a solution. Ayu. Okay, I feel sad because I don't have money to pay for tuition. I have used my money to buy a new motorcycle. Vina. Oh, you must tell your parents. If you have no money, I think they will help you. Ayu. I don't think so. It will only make things worse. Vina. You can lend money from someone. Ayu. That's good idea. Vina. Pagi Ayu. Sobat, kamu terlihat buruk hari ini. Apa yang terjadi padamu? Ayu. Oh, itu hanya masalah kecil. Vina. Tolong beritahu saya. Mungkin saya bisa memberikan solusi. Ayu. Oke, saya sedih karena tidak punya uang untuk membayar SPP. Saya menggunakan uang saya untuk membeli sepeda motor baru. Vina. Oh, Anda harus memberitahu orang tua Anda jika Anda tidak punya uang. Saya pikir mereka akan membantu Anda. Ayu. Saya kira tidak. Itu hanya bisa memperburuk keadaan. Vina. Anda dapat meminjamkan uang dari seseorang. Ayu. Ide bagus. Where is the suggestion center of the conversation? Di manakah kalimat saran pada dialog? Okay, all of you can guess where is the suggestion center of the conversation. Okay, semua dari kalian boleh coba menebak di manakah kalimat saran pada dialog tersebut. Thank you.